What are my rights if police intimidate me? Imagine being stopped by the police and feeling uneasy because of their words or actions. It can be confusing and even scary, but knowing your rights can help you stay safe and protected. When police try to intimidate you, they are not allowed to do so to make you feel afraid or to force you into doing something you do not want to do. Intimidation includes actions or words meant to cause fear or pressure you into giving up your rights. If this happens, remember that you have specific protections under the law. First, you have the right to stay calm and not respond to threats or intimidation with anger or fear. You do not have to answer questions beyond giving your name and identification if you are lawfully stopped. You also have the right to refuse a search of your person or property unless police have a valid reason, like a warrant or probable cause. Police cannot use threats or intimidation to make you agree to a search. You can tell the officers clearly that you do not consent to any searches or questions if you choose. If they do not have a good reason to stop or question you, you have the right to ask if you are free to leave. If they say yes, you can calmly walk away. You also have the right to record the encounter if it is legal in your area, which can help document any misconduct or intimidation. If you feel you are being harassed or threatened, you can file a complaint with the police department or a civilian review board. Remember, you are entitled to legal help if you believe your rights were violated. You can ask for a lawyer at any point during the interaction and should do so immediately if you are detained or arrested. When facing police intimidation, stay polite and avoid escalating the situation. Clearly state your rights by saying things like, "I do not consent to a search," or "Am I free to go?" Do not physically resist, but do not feel pressured to answer questions beyond your basic identification. If you can, discreetly record what is happening. After the encounter, write down everything you remember, including officer names, badge numbers, and witnesses. If you think your rights were violated, seek legal advice. Knowing your rights helps protect you from unfair treatment and unlawful conduct. Police must respect your constitutional protections, including the Fourth Amendment, which guards against unreasonable searches and seizures, and the 14th Amendment, which guarantees due process and equal protection under the law. If police intimidate you in a way that violates these rights, you can take legal action. Being aware of your rights allows you to respond confidently and seek help if needed.